Nilalagyan ko siyang food, inaasikaso ko siya, pero alam mo yung mukha namin nakasibang, no?
Babalik ang puso kong ito. Kahit magunaw ang lahat, di pa rin hinto. Huwag ka nang magduda pa, di mo pagkakaila, magkaiba man ang ating mundo.
Ladies and gentlemen, to the time, show your big love for Mr. Charles Homer and Mrs. Cinderella Rivera!
Ang ating mundo, tataya pa rin sa'yo.
I've watched Cindy blossom into incredible woman she is today. And now she's found her Prince Charlie. You've clearly captured her heart of a true adventurer. May your life be fairy tale come true. A real life Cinderella story complete with happily ever after.
Nang magduda pa, di mapagkakaila, magkaiba man ang ating mundo. Tataya pa rin sa'yo, saan man mapadpad, madala o malipad, magkalayo man ang ating mundo. Tataya pa rin
So to Homer, my brother, I am very happy that you found your perfect match. Si Homer po kasi ay madalas heartbroken. I also feel the same. Cindy is an answered prayer. And ang reaction namin talaga kay Homer nun, wag mo nang papakawalan si Cindy Mer.
Oh, I'm obsessed with the way your head is laying on my chest. How you love the things I hate about myself.
God really surprised me by blessing me of a person like you. God listens to my heart. He knows who's the best, and that is you.
Oh, I'm a mess when I overthink the little things in my head.
God chose you for me. I know when God gives me to you, I have a mission. And that mission brings us here today.
Yung ibang love story, madali lang maintindihan eh. Pero kayo, wala kayong kinalaman sa isa't isa, pero pinagtagpo kayo ng Panginoon.
Yun nga, siguro sa Bumble, nag-match kami.
Then after a week, nagkita kami sa BGC. Sa tawag namin doon, tagpuan. Parang nung nagkita kami, parang magkaibigan lang na tagal di nagkita.
Hindi ko ma-explain, basta parang match agad, tapos yung kwentuhan nga, parang hindi ka naiilang, parang nabibigay mo na yung kung sino ka talaga.
Darling, this is more than anything I felt before. You're everything that I want, but
Thank you.
I
See you later.
didn't think I'd find someone who was worth the weight of all the years of my heartbreak. But I know now I've found the one I love.
Mahal kong Bibi, you look beautiful today. I wanted to start this by praising the Lord for this day. I know it's not the ideal weather we wanted, but I still wanted to thank Him for bringing us here together with our loved ones. I wanted to honor and thank Ama and Ina for raising a wonderful woman that is God-fearing, family-oriented, generous, thoughtful, patient, understanding, and lovable. Familiar ba yun?
Ay, salamat sa Panginoon Diyos na nakasaksi pa ako sa iyong kasal.
And why do I
Sobrang totoong tao mo. Sobrang straightforward and decisive.
Lalo na pag natatouch yan, or pag siguro pag nakita niya ako, ay, ang ganda naman ni Cindy, ito na to, Char.
And darling, this is more than anything I felt before. You're everything that I want, but I didn't think I'd find someone who was worth the weight of all the years of my heartbreak. But I know now I've found the one. Come.
Pareho kaming strong, pinagtagpo kami ng Diyos na parang pareho na kaming independent. Pero nakita namin na mag-a-align kami, and yun nga, towards yung common goal namin.
Anything good or bad, I know it's
Mama Rose, una sa lahat, ako po'y nagpapasalamat sa lahat. Kung hindi dahil sa iyong pagsisikap, wala ako dito.
Darling, this is more than anything I felt before. You're everything that I
Salamat sa pagpapalaki mo na may takot sa Diyos at pagmamahal sa pamilya. Pinapangako ko na hindi na ko kayo pababayaan at mamahalin pa rin ng lubos.
know now. I found the one I love.
Gusto kong magpasalamat sa iyo dahil mas naging mabuting tao ako. Salamat at mas napalapit ako sa Diyos. Tinulungan mo kong mas ma-manage ang aking pera ng mabuti. Ngunit ang pinakahigit sa lahat, tinuruan mo kong mas maging pasensyoso at maunawain.
Here we are under the moonlight. I'm the one without a dry eye, 'cause you look amazing.
Sa lahat ng lalaki na nakilala ko, sobrang kakaiba mo. At ayun ang mas hinahangaan ko. Lagi ko pang sinasabi pag may nagtatanong, na rare ang isang taong kagaya mo.
Pangako ko na hindi ako magsasawang magpatawad at intindihin ka. Pangako kong hindi kita sasaktan dahil ang taong mahal, hindi sinasaktan.
I promise I'll treasure you, girl. You're all that I've needed, complete in my world. You're my love, my life, my beginning.
I am excited to spend the rest of my life with you. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos sa lahat ng provisions and blessings to make this day happen. At syempre to you, my baby.
I can't wait to make more memories with you, my best friend, my wife, my baby. Love rocks. I love you.
At ang pag-ibig na ito ay pwedeng maging totoo ngayon at araw-araw at habang buhay.
I will never give up on you, girl. Treat you right every night. Make my move just for you. Wanna do this right.
I love you, my baby. Finally, Mrs. Rivera. Magkaiba man tayo, pero pinagkaisa tayo ng
My
Diyos.
love, my life, my beginning. And I'm just so stumped.